Samajay's Fun Adventures. Hey guys, welcome back to Samajay's Fun Adventures. Today I have over here that I'm holding a tie-dye kit.
All right, we're gonna try out that tie-dye kit from CVS, right?
Yep.
Okay, so for this project, you might want to protect the surface of your work area. And here we covered it with some plastic trash bags. You might want to wear an old shirt or a shirt that you don't mind getting it stained, because this project could get really messy, right, Samajay?
Yeah, because this is ink.
Right, it's dye, yes. Okay, and also, by the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video. It is not a paid video, nor are we affiliated with the companies, the products that are shown in our video. We just want to share our experience with this tie-dye kit from CVS. All right, so let's get started. Put on your gloves.
I got one glove and two gloves.
You got one glove and two gloves, right? So this will help us protect our hands.
These are kind of oversized for my hands.
Right, and these come in the kits. So, okay, first we are going to mix our dye. Yes, it's powder and the dye is inside, and all we have to do is
put it with water.
Fill it up with water all the way to the neck right there, and it's ready to go. So first we're going to mix the dye, and I'm going to use, since the bottles are kind of a little bit small, I'm going to use a funnel.
So now, since all the colors I mixed, I got red, two blues, orange, purple, and green.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dye some fabric. Right, that's a white t-shirt. What else? We got two of those, right?
A chef hat.
And your chef hat.